those of you guys that are new, welcome. For those of you guys that are returning, thank you so much for coming back. In today's video, I show you a perfect at-home blow up using the Revlon one-step hair dryer and volumizer. But before you guys check it out, I am collabing with my friend Christelle. She shows you how to achieve a defined wash and go on naturally curly hair using the Curls Blueberry Bliss line. So check her out once you check this video out. And without further ado, let's get into it. I just got out the shower, washed my hair. I wrapped my hair in this hair towel wrap and now I'm gonna let it go. Feels so nice. I'm gonna go ahead and use this leave-in heat protection lotion and primer. It's by SGX. It's a brand that I picked up at Target that I really like. Now I'm just gonna take my hair tie and I'm just gonna divide my hair. So I'm gonna start with the bottom and take the rest and put it in a bun. I'm so excited to use this Revlon new and improved Power of a Dryer, Volume of a Styler, Salon one-step hair dryer and volumizer. This thing is huge. I'm used to just blow drying my hair with my regular blow dryer and with a smaller brush. So this is pretty big for, you know, what I'm used to, but let's go ahead and try it out. I'm gonna plug it in. So at the bottom here is where you have all the options: off, cool, low, and high. So I'm gonna put it all the way to high. Say that I'm pretty impressed so far. It's super straight, just the way I like it, and then it added a little bit of curls at the bottom when I was twisting it, and it dried it pretty quick. I mean, I really like it so far. Let's go ahead and try bigger chunks of hair, because I did think that this was a little bit of hair for how big this tool is. I feel like it can take a little more hair in. So let's go ahead and just divide the hair again. I'm gonna divide on this side too. So now we have both sides. Wow, look how nice it is. I really can't get over how easy it is to use this brush dryer. My hair feels super sleek and there's no frizz at all. There's a little bit of curls at the bottom, which I love because I do have layers. So let's just keep going. Oh my God, I can't wait for the full thing. Wow, look at this definition at the bottom. Look how nice and straight it is, but it also has some volume to it. This is just out of this world. Like, I don't know why I didn't try this sooner. Oh my God. Let me go ahead and do the last part. Wow, this is unreal. Like, you can literally see the waves at the bottom where my hair was cut in layers. Like, this has volume. Now I'm just gonna add a little bit of oil to give it some shine. I'm gonna use the SGX Invisible Styling Oil, and just a little goes a long way. This is my final look at a perfect at-home blowout. I give this blow dryer a 10 out of 10. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, comment below, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Mwah!